The Maldives, a destination synonymous with luxury, turquoise waters, and endless horizons. For years, this paradise had been a dream, and when the opportunity arose to spend an entire week in this breathtaking archipelago, I jumped at the chance. From pristine beaches and overwater bungalows to thrilling underwater adventures and unforgettable sunsets, the Maldives delivered a magical experience I'll cherish forever. Here's a day-by-day account of my week in paradise. Day 1. Arrival in paradise. As my flight descended over the Maldives, I caught my first glimpse of the endless azure waters dotted with tiny islands. Upon landing at Valana International Airport in Malé, I was greeted with warm smiles and whisked away on a speedboat to my resort. The 45-minute journey through crystal-clear waters was just the beginning of the magic. My accommodation was an overwater villa, exactly as dreamy as I had imagined, with glass floors offering a peek at the marine life below and a private deck with direct access to the lagoon. It was a slice of heaven. The day ended with a sunset dinner on the beach, featuring fresh seafood and the sound of gentle waves. Day 2. Exploring the underwater world. The Maldives is renowned for its vibrant marine life, and I couldn't wait to dive in. The morning began with a snorkeling excursion at a nearby reef. As I swam through the warm waters, I encountered schools of colorful fish, graceful manta rays, and even a curious sea turtle. The coral reefs were alive with movement, and the experience felt like stepping into another world. In the afternoon, I tried scuba diving for the first time. Guided by an expert instructor, I descended into the depths to witness the Maldives' underwater treasures up close. The highlight of the dive was spotting a reef shark gliding effortlessly through the water, a thrilling and humbling experience. Day 3. Island hopping. With over 1,000 islands in the Maldives, island hopping is a must. I spent the day exploring local islands, starting with a visit to a traditional fishing village. Here, I learned about the Maldivian way of life, tasted fresh coconut water, and shopped for handmade souvenirs. The next stop was an uninhabited sandbank, where I enjoyed a private picnic surrounded by nothing but turquoise water. Walking barefoot on the powdery white sand felt like a dream. The day ended with a visit to a luxury resort island, offering a glimpse of the Maldives' famed opulence. Day 4. Sunrise yoga and spa bliss. The fourth day in the Maldives was all about reconnecting with my body and mind while indulging in pure relaxation. I woke up early to participate in a sunrise yoga session on the beach. The setting couldn't have been more perfect. Soft sand beneath my feet, the soothing sound of waves lapping against the shore, and the golden hues of the rising sun lighting up the horizon. The yoga instructor guided us through gentle stretches, breathing exercises, and meditative poses. As I moved through each posture, I felt a deep sense of peace and gratitude for being in this paradise. Ending the session with a few minutes of silent meditation while facing the ocean was profoundly grounding, setting a serene tone for the day ahead. After breakfast, it was time to pamper myself at the resort's overwater spa, a sanctuary suspended above the crystal-clear waters. The spa itself was a masterpiece of design, with glass floors that allowed me to see fish swimming beneath as I entered. I opted for a traditional Maldivian massage, which combined techniques of deep tissue and relaxation therapy. The massage used local coconut oil infused with herbs, leaving my skin soft and rejuvenated. The treatment was more than just a massage. It was an experience. The therapist's rhythmic strokes were synchronized with the sounds of the ocean, creating a harmonious connection to nature. After the session, I was led to a relaxation area where I sipped on herbal tea while gazing out at the endless horizon. It felt as though time had slowed down, and all that existed was the gentle sway of the water and the peacefulness of the moment. Later in the afternoon, I decided to explore the spa's additional offerings. I indulged in a refreshing facial using tropical ingredients like papaya and hibiscus, which left my skin glowing. For those looking for more, the spa also offered meditation sessions and couples treatments in private overwater pavilions. The day ended with a light walk along the beach at sunset, reflecting on how much the experience had nurtured not just my body, but also my spirit. Day 4 wasn't just about luxury. It was about finding balance, tranquility, and a renewed appreciation for the simple yet profound beauty of life. Day 5. Dolphin watching and a magical sunset cruise. Day 5 in the Maldives was a day of wonder and serene beauty, centered around the incredible marine life and the enchanting views of the Indian Ocean at dusk. The day began leisurely, with a relaxing breakfast overlooking the tranquil lagoon. Freshly squeezed tropical juices, buttery croissants, and a vibrant platter of local fruits like mango and papaya gave me the perfect energy boost for the adventure-filled day ahead. In the late afternoon, I set out on a dolphin-watching cruise, an experience I'd been eagerly anticipating. The journey aboard a traditional Maldivian dhoni, a wooden boat with a curved bow, was already mesmerizing, with the endless turquoise water sparkling under the sun. The crew guided us to a known dolphin hotspot, and within moments, the magic began. Pods of dolphins appeared, leaping gracefully out of the water, spinning in the air, and swimming alongside our boat as if putting on a private show. Their playful energy was infectious, and I couldn't help but smile as I watched their synchronized movements. Cameras clicked, laughter filled the air, and for a while, it felt like time stood still. The crew shared fascinating facts about these incredible creatures, including their behaviors and how they're protected in the Maldives. It was a heartwarming experience, knowing I was witnessing them in their natural habitat without disturbing their environment. As the sun began its descent, the dolphin cruise transitioned into a sunset cruise, and the already enchanting day turned into a scene straight out of a dream. The dhoni glided through the calm waters, and the sky exploded with hues of orange, pink, and purple. Sitting on the deck with a glass of champagne in hand, I'd watched as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting golden reflections across the waves. The combination of the gentle breeze, the soothing sounds of the ocean, and the colors of the sunset created an atmosphere of pure tranquility. The crew set up light refreshments on the boat, delicate canapes, tropical fruits, and a few local Maldivian delicacies. As I savored the flavors, the boat gently cruised back toward the resort under a sky now blanketed with stars. The experience of being surrounded by the vastness of the ocean, with only the soft glow of the moon and stars above, was humbling and magical. Day 5 wasn't just about seeing dolphins or watching a sunset. It was about connecting with nature and appreciating its raw, unfiltered beauty. It left me in awe of the Maldives and its ability to deliver moments of serenity and wonder in equal measure. Day 6. Water adventures and dining under the stars. Day 6 in the Maldives was a day of exhilarating water activities and a magical dining experience that epitomized the luxury and charm of this island paradise. The morning began with a hearty breakfast on the deck of my overwater villa, featuring freshly brewed coffee, tropical fruits, and a variety of pastries. The gentle sound of the lagoon waves and the golden morning sunlight created the perfect setting to gear up for a day filled with adventure. The first activity on my list was kayaking. Equipped with a transparent kayak, I paddled through the calm turquoise waters surrounding the resort. The crystal-clear lagoon allowed me to see colorful fish and coral reefs right beneath the boat, turning the activity into an aquatic safari. After exploring the lagoon, I switched to stand-up paddleboarding, a relaxing yet fun way to glide across the water. Day 7. Farewell to paradise. My final day in the Maldives was bittersweet. I spent the morning soaking in the beauty of the lagoon from my villa and taking one last swim in the warm waters. The staff bid me farewell with a traditional Maldivian send-off, making me feel like part of their family. As the speedboat whisked me back to the airport, I reflected on the past week. The Maldives had exceeded all my expectations, offering not just stunning landscapes, but also unforgettable experiences and genuine warmth from its people. It was a journey that rejuvenated my soul and reminded me of the beauty that exists in the world. A week in the Maldives is a dream come true. From the sparkling waters and luxurious accommodations to the rich culture and endless adventures, every moment feels like a slice of paradise. Whether you're seeking relaxation, romance, or thrilling activities, the Maldives has it all. My adventure here left me with memories to last a lifetime, and I can't wait for the day I return to this island haven.